Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, last minute Christmas crafting. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Thank you to everyone who is supporting me in any way. Y'all, let's not waste any time because I know we're all feeling the crunch. So today I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy gift packaging idea, and I'll show you what I put in mine. Here's what I'm talking about. It's little, but I know that you guys can think of so many last minute things to put in this box. It is 3 by 3 by 1 1/4, and it will hold some of those littles that you might have and you've been trying to figure out, how am I going to package them? Well, this is perfect for that. So, y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here is a closer look at that last minute gift idea, stocking stuffer, whatever you want to call it, that you can make in no time. We have a nice little belly band on it. And for those of you who aren't familiar with belly bands, what it is just a wrap that we use to close a box or a notebook, or we can wrap it around a bag, but you can see how it's a full wrap all the way around belly band. And then what we have here is a pizza style box that opens with the top coming up. And on the inside, I've simply placed 4 little pieces of candy. This would make an awesome jewelry box, one of those little mini perfumes, a small toiletry, whatever you want to put inside. So simple to make. Here's what you're going to need. All right, so here's what we're going to need to make it. And I'm using this beautiful paper by Anna Griffin. It's a double-sided cardstock. It's a medium weight cardstock, and it's a gold and deep cranberry brocade. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous paper. This is what we're going to be using. You need a piece that measures 5.5 by 12. And then for the belly band, I'll be using leftover scrap, and this piece will measure 1 by 12. If you need a little box in a hurry, this is going to be so easy. So on the 5.5 inch side, we're going to score at 1 1/4. Rotate it to the opposite 5.5 inch side and score at 1 1/4. Then we are going to rotate it to the 12 inch side, and we're going to score at 1 1/4, 2.5, 5.5, 6 3/4, 9 3/4, and 11. So then we're just going to fold and burnish all of our scores. So easy peasy. And y'all, I promise you, when I start making my videos for 2022, my big old spatula will be back because I am almost through unpacking all of the boxes that I had to pack for my move. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do on both ends, you're going to have 1 score mark, 2 score marks. We're going to go up to the 2nd score mark and cut straight down, because we want to free this tab. So now we're going to take this tab, we're going to reduce it in size, and then we'll angle here. So let's reduce this one and angle. And then on this outer flap, I'll go up to the 1st score mark, drag down to angle in just a little bit. Then we're going to rotate it to the opposite end and do the same thing. So go to that 2nd score mark, drag straight down, or cut straight down. And then we're going to reduce this in size. And then we're going to angle. Same thing here. We're reducing it and angle. And you can see that when I reduced, I did make it shorter than the score mark. That's just my preference. And I'll angle in here. So now I'm going to turn it to the side. And when you fold it, you're going to have this section right here. So we need to go up to the score mark and drag down. Score mark and drag down. Go up to the score mark and drag down. And so then I am just going to angle and remove a part of this. And then I'll reduce that as well. We'll do the same thing over here. So we're just going to angle and reduce. That is it, my friends. We are ready to put this together. So the way that we're going to put it together, I am going to use glue on mine. This will not be a weight-bearing box, so if you want, you can use tape. And then I'm going to close my box. So make sure that your edges are nice and crisp. I'll go in with my bone folder to help get that stuck. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. And now I can take my glue, place my glue on this outer flap, and we're going to fold that flap over. Use my bone folder just to go on the inside and get that nice and stuck. And you can see what a beautifully finished box we have. We're going to do the same thing on this end. So I'll take my glue, add my glue to these tabs. We're going to get that stuck. Do the same thing over here. Go ahead and make sure that my edges are nice and crisp. Now I can use my bone folder to go in, get my stick. And now we can take our glue and we're going to place our glue on the outer flap and fold it in. And then I'll use my bone folder to go in and get it stuck. Now, one thing you're going to notice is one of the outer flaps is going to be slightly larger than the other one when you fold it over. And that's okay. I wanted to keep the measurements very simple on this, so I went with the incremental scoring of 1 1/4 and then 3. So I did that all the way across, and you're going to end up with one that's slightly shorter, but that does not take away from the beauty of your box. So now if you want, you can take your glue and place glue on these flaps and then bring them up and glue them to the side. Or you don't have to place glue on them at all and you can just close your box. I am going to go ahead and just place glue on mine, and then I can just open it and go on the inside and get both of those stuck. And y'all, that's how easy peasy it is for us to make a pizza style box. So our box is done. I am going to open this and I'm going to take 4 of my candies, and I'm putting candy in mine, but like I said, you can actually put earrings or whatever type of jewelry you might want to put in yours. Completely up to you. But I have my 4 little candies on the inside. I can close my top, and now we have this beautiful box. We are going to go ahead and make a belly band. You'll see how easy it is. And then we are going to call this project done. So I am going to take my belly band, and what I'm going to do is take my 1 by 12 inch piece, and I've decided that I want it just to be pattern on pattern. So I am going to put it down like this, bring it up, and fold it over. But when I'm folding it, y'all, I am giving myself a little bit of space so that it will go on and off with ease. And then when I have the spacing that I want, I'm just going to pinch it to get a fold. So then I'll do the same thing on this side. So at this point, I'm going to trim away some of that. So I'll do the same thing over here. I want to make sure that I leave myself some slack. And now you can see that I'll be able to slide this on and off with ease. So once I have it the way I want it, I'm going to take my reptile glue, place that down, just like that. And then I'm going to take this off, take my scissors, and just trim away any overage. And then I'll add just a little bit of glue here to make sure that's closed. And there is my belly band. Now all I need to do is decorate it if I want. So last year, my sister Denise discovered the joy of rosette making. So she made all of these rosettes, and I am going to be using some of the rosettes that she made on some of my gifts this year. So this is one of the rosettes that she made. I'm going to add some glue to the back. So I'm going to take this and we're going to put it on our belly band. And I'm putting it on just like that. I have this little piece of Tim Holtz ephemera that says Season's Greetings that I am going to put down right here. So I'm going to take my glue, place some glue right there. Put this on my little belly band right there in the center. And now we should be able to take this and slide it on. And how sweet and stinking cute is that? Quick and easy box, quick and easy way to decorate it. Very upscale look. So I have brought the first one back in. I've also zoomed in my camera so that you can get a closer look at just how gorgeous these actually are and how easy they were to make. One piece of 5.5 by 12 and one piece of 1 by 12 for the belly band. I like to use double-sided papers for a project like this because then you have a nice finished inside. So guys, I hope that you have liked this fun, quick and easy, last-minute little gift that you can put together in no time. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.